o national team. Se ebeya akono ediama obi a ofri ukro mu bia no matter nipa kon background see e won wo Ghana ha and see e won wo Abuchira the culture of the national team never chire.
Okay.
Ujidi say easy for player be say Brahim Diaz. Yet it's in Manchester City Academy. Or ball Real Madrid. To comfortably say Bona or bought for Real Madrid. Mijidi say after Iniesta money yemuko. Look, Sanka Brahim Diaz and Costel are eligible to play for Spain by this time friend. So when I say players of Spain, national team name for Roma, they will front more opportunity now. Sanka Brahim Diaz one committed to Morocco. And now you say he will still stay eligible for Spain. And by this time, Kebedu so Kobenya Boni Biabo. But Ebanesana Brahim Diaz says Megwa Kobama Morocco. Ebanesana a lot of these players. And now I watch Algeria. Ebo against Uganda. Goalkeeper Odemu is the son of the great Zinedine Zidane. He has opted to come and play for Algeria now. And not follow the footsteps of ne papa and play for country of France. Why would the president of Liberia, the president, not a president, you know, never Timothy Weah, and so Obama US. Ghana Hank said da. President of Oman, Oba, choose allegiance to USA than Liberia. Look, Nhyira is about how is the culture of your national team here.
Okay.
Is it professional enough? Attractive enough for people to say, Meba. Now, the rumors are around Edin Kitia, Hostin Odoi, by no Mongoa. The list, and we are talking about a list of Ghana players. Yawuamua Manonia, Ebimum Pokra Abo Ama, baby, Yawuamua Mononino, Omu youth teams are, and they Omen Abba of age. They have the right to decide. Say Obama Ghana and now Oba Chenim oh baby ya wo no. Enti I didn't get here him. Hossein Odo yenim. Uko Hollander. There's an AZ Akma goalkeeper. The friend Jaden Ousu Odro. Omo share initiative or YouTube no will see his photos. Because our platform, so they will post it.
Yeah.
Very, very nice guy. Odama XZ Akma in the Eredivisie Holland League, no.
Akma so in your team Ketwa.
Of course.
To end that number one spot. That means
yes.
We're a classic.
Yes. He is also a Ghanaian. And he didn't crash it. Ousu Odro the baby anywhere just when you're Ghanaian. Apart from him, Nancy Obakaya. Your friend this player, Derek Coon. On put your back. But near said the nationality switch, you know, will be done within the window name and the buyer. But I never completed.
Yeah.
Nancy last 2 games here, boy, I'm friend because still now processing here complete. Me, Obi following sharp passports to Biano. And himself, we've provided a list. Even when Otto was not the substantive coach.
Yeah.
Tell me no your assistant. Obey interim coach, you know. A list of Ghanaian players or GD say you bet me monitor na as and when you keep a relationship and call them.
Make hyper.
Until there are a lot of players out. But me the end say Sani Diarra is questioning commitments.
Yeah.
Honorable Kofi Adams about being open-minded. Now, embrace you be as me a boy a team now. That is the ends justifying the means, and us looking beyond just the World Cup. Me body a solid team. Or a gun and you know bet me a boy no quality no quality ya promanembra. But what I'm saying is say there be the balance of commitments. Any a solid team. Obia bet me say I want to be part of. Whether baby and pakode do no a so no the environment we will create.
Okay.
Gabi, those who opted to come and play for Algeria, Morocco, no. And I will continue to use Brahim Diaz. Look at the standard he has seen. Man City, Real Madrid, who's Spanish national team. It will be easy for Brahim Diaz to say, oh, me ba Morocco for no, because Australia way a Morocco national team no, na. And you're so professional. Say, Obemua, BBS, he doesn't feel different. And you're attractive. At the man. Sisi aye kase Gabi say yawo Morocco ni bi ewo say Holland, yawo Morocco ni bi ewo Norway, yawo Morocco ni bi ewo say Czech Republic and I say Romania. Ujiri say the Moroccan national team are the semi-finals of the World Cup. So Otiwonu Oshe baby some national team assignment. The headquarters are share, training pitches, facility, the world class treatment of the players. Do you think that Obaka say enya attractive so obejoni ana? It is attractive. And young Ghana they know instead of say yedim common we ni ya qualify ye na obi be so ba there be yema we yem ko there be yem omumbra. It's good. But for me I need it.
Okay.
We should invest in our national team culture.
Okay.
We should. The last time a year have gone, your national team will go in training. How do you convince Edin Ketia to belong to that national team? Early. It's also over so bad. Say now we're in due diligence and sign waba. The last AFCON I acquired. The news articles offend Ghana for Busia for no so blasters and Besame Baba. Feedback on the mono because blasters for the crown no more training camp for Morocco and go for Morocco they baba yakado until moon train or Ghana I almost say Ghana no say do maba Kumasi you don't buy a baba rent team training and to Moko Brankese now we have video no mun futro once so money and train. Look at the stories. How does this attract Jaden Odro who has been brought up in Netherlands training pictures quality to say oh, me mama Holland biem me baba ba Ghana for no because me moja e Ghana ni.
Kofi bramu mame na ya nhwe ne yem fire course no kakra.
I think say I'll sidestep Ayala like a crabby. I think that I belong to the school of thought that understands baby Ayala free bar about so you attract the good things because if you are seeing baby a hoyeni you'll be happy. It's natural human instincts. But because of say a national team are there, now you are essentially seen as a soldier representing a nation. Sometimes any say a year perfect and sana what turn no attention to baby are free.
Okay.
Meaning perfect say from your part of baby are free no. And your money a ding for some of these boys to choose us because you're near in your money. And also, ye jai omoa momunyini ebobo ni kokodru baby Edin said they will turn back and see as a second fiddle and sana your mom the chance to come. So maybe in the long term future, see some of these boys we can look at them from have a database of first time you won't crown the idea from the under 10. When you go to the FIFA Connect website, you get all of these things.
Okay.
And start connecting with Omao and give them plans as to why you show bit me Obama Ghana and work along those tangents and bring them in. Because some players you remember do the acclimatization into an assimilation of the Ghanaian culture when you used to look up a big deal. In the long run, whether or not it helps Ghana football is a big question. But I am in and all in for the commitment conversation. And Enye asema mekano menka say Edinketi anye committed and as Kalumos no do anye committed because I don't have any proof to justify it.
Okay.
But say Uba for Ghana Black Stars, you should have shown that you want to play for the nation. You should have shown that you are willing to die for the nation because it is representing the Ghana flags. Which say you go school you generally taught you recited the Ghana the pledge I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana my motherland. It is not just for saying sake.
Okay.
Because on my way you on mine based on nationalism. And then as for certain reasons, nationalistic culture and way of doing things, being nationalistic is very important. In fact, I believe strongly, say most of the success you choke in the heydays as Black Stars was hinged on nationalism. Say maybe you see a African Cup or you see a players is okay, you be to your one to one chair, all of these things are very important. But it is lost on us. And you're almost total fault because yes, you're as a mine.
Okay.
I mean, this is a country where Asraf one year they have fought and put their lives on the line, and we fail to recognize them. Say sometimes it's worrying. We hardly even honor your heroes. Born a year, film, keep your history, and son it's not done elsewhere. We should be nationalistic, protect your heroes and heroines. But in all of that, commitment is key. Because without commitment, it is almost always easy to turn us down. And the example Brahim Sanida Adema is a classical example of Kevin Prince Boateng. He came off the back of quality. No undoubted. Now, sometimes Kevin Prince Boateng be a team or the quality bar. And it was quality and he team with him. But in all of that, Abraham, we needed Kevin Prince Boateng to show commitment. Imagine if on that travel to the DRC, now your major players a paper, we needed Kevin Prince Boateng to stand up and wear the Ghana jersey in a place like that for the Ghana Black Stars. That wasn't there.
Okay.
So for me, in the conversation around it from the nationality point of view, commitment to here, but it always comes down to performance on whether or not Ombe Boateng, Iti Mirisi, say, I didn't get here, will his performances be better, whether as a bench player or a starting player? Is this something to do here? So Kalun was the skill set's not there, a idea here. Jaded Airbano, national team #1 goalkeeper. Do we need that, whether in form of competition or #1? Here. Let the technical team make that decision.
And me invite me call us now or so 0322